In this video, we are going to learn how to make a variable the subject of a formula. So we have make m the subject of the formula, and we have b is equal to nm over n minus m. So the first thing we're going to do is put this over 1 and then we cross multiply, so that we have b into n minus m being equal to n m times 1. So we open up this bracket so that we have bn minus bm is equal to nm. So remember that we want to make m the subject of the formula. So it will be wise to put all the expressions bearing m on one side of the equation. So we can take bm to the right so that we have bn is equal to nm plus bm, and then we can factorize m out of this particular expression so that we have bn being equal to m into n plus b. So for us to have m on one side, we just divide both sides by n plus b. So we have n plus b. This side also we have n plus b. So then we cancel out n plus b and n plus b, so that we're only left with m. So we have that m is equal to bn over n plus b.